Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix Ghost Touch problem on your Honor 200 Smart. So Ghost Touch can be a frustrating issue because it's when your phone registers touches without you physically touching the screen. So I'll show you the solutions where you can try to fix it, and the first one is to restart your phone. It's very simple, but sometimes that restart can fix the Ghost Touch issues because it might be a software glitch. So how to properly restart your phone? Basically hold the power button. Don't mind the Gemini popping up. Click restart and touch to restart the phone again. So I'll see you guys once the phone is restarted. So now after the restart, what you guys can try is remove a screen protector from your phone or a case. Sometimes a screen protector or the big phone case might cause ghost touches by applying pressure to the screen. So try removing them to see if the problem goes away. If not, then try cleaning the screen because some dirt, moisture or oils on the screen can sometimes interfere with the touch sensitivity. So try and use the microfiber cloth to gently clean your screen and see if that fixes the issue. If not, then you can try and update your software. Sometimes the outdated system or a bug in the current software might cause the issue of the Ghost Touch. So to check for updates, go over to settings. Here, scroll a bit down until you guys see system and updates. Now click on software update. And here it will check automatically if you have the latest version or you need to update your software. For me, I'm running the latest version of the Magic OS, and I recommend you guys doing the same. So now if this still didn't work, then what you guys can try is calibrate the touchscreen. It's optional, but you can only do that by downloading a third-party app from the Google Play. So I do not recommend this step. It's optional, as I said. And now if you don't want to do that, then what you guys can try is perform a factory reset. So if the Ghost Touch issue is still here and you think it's a software related issue, then factory reset may help because this will erase all your data. And before, of course, deleting all your data, make sure to back it all up. So go to System and Updates, here click Backup and Restore, and now click Data Backup. Here you will be able to back up all your data. Let me show you guys. And then you will be able to go over to reset the phone, and click Reset Phone, enter your password if you have one, and then click this red button. Now if the issue goes away after the reset, it's probably software related, but if it's still here, then it's probably a hardware issue. So it can be caused by a hardware malfunction, such as damaged touchscreen or loose connections inside the phone. So now I don't recommend doing it by yourself, so contact Honor support or visit the authorized service center for more professional diagnosis and inspection. Now you can also try and check for overheating, because sometimes it can cause the touch issues, including ghost touches. So if your phone feels hot, then let it cool down and check if the issue is fixed. If it's frequently overheating, then there might be an issue with the internal components like the battery or the processor, and you should consult the customer support of Honor. Now, if your phone has been exposed to water or moisture, then what you guys can try is turn off the phone. Now try and dry it, and I recommend putting it in a bag of rice and let it sit in a dry place for a day or two. If it doesn't help, then you might need professional repair. As I said, visit the authorized service center for more professional diagnosis or visit a technician. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.